The Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia is susceptible to the effects of ocean acidification. The world's oceans currently absorb a staggering 25% of the anthropogenically released carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. An increase in carbon dioxide causes the oceans to become more acidic. This increase in acidity is particularly harmful to reefs, such as the Great Barrier Reef, because even a small change in pH or water temperature is harmful to them. Current projections have the oceans becoming 100 to 150% more acidic, which will have detrimental effects to the Great Barrier Reef. Ocean acidification is one of the main factors that leads to coral bleaching, which is when the coral expels its zooxanthellae. The loss of this algae makes the coral reef lose its vibrant color and turn white. If the algae does not return to the coral, then the coral will become damaged and eventually die. The Great Barrier Reef of Australia is a major economic driver for the region because it attracts many tourists each year. If Australia loses these coral reefs, then its economy will suffer and the coastal communities will lose tourists vital to keeping their towns afloat. To prevent further bleaching from ocean acidification, nations must cut their carbon emissions or use geoengineering methods to sequester the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Without decreasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the oceans will continue to become more acidic, and the Great Barrier Reef will become even more susceptible to bleaching events.